Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix missing features on TikTok. So, if you find that your TikTok might be missing some of its feature, for example, you cannot find the repost button or there's some effects or filter that is not there on your TikTok, you can just follow my steps right here to fix it. First, you can just open your TikTok apps and let's try to clear the cache. So you can go to your profile, click on this profile button and then go to the three lines icon at the top right corner and just tap on the settings and privacy. And in here, you can just scroll down again and tap on this free up space under the cache and cellular options. Okay, now it's still calculating. Let's just wait. Okay, so now let's try to clear the cache of the app. Click on clear again. Okay, when you do that, you can just go back after you do that and let's try to go to the TikTok app settings. You can long press on the TikTok and then go to this info icon. Then you'll see the app info or app settings of the TikTok app. Okay, now you can try to force stop the TikTok and then click on OK. But if it's still not working, you can try to uninstall and reinstall the app and then restart your phone. Okay, you can also check for any updates on your Google or App Store. Maybe your TikTok is not on the latest version, so that might be some features that are not showing up. Let's try to find TikTok. So if you see there's any update available in here, you need to update the TikTok app as soon as possible so that you can get that missing features that you don't have. Okay. Okay, but once again, if you still cannot find it, you can try to uninstall the app in here and then reinstall it. But before that, you need to restart your phone first. So hopefully that the tips that I told you before will fix the missing features on TikTok. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you have any question, and also click on the thanks and subscribe button to keep supporting us. That's all from me. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.